just oily looking. So today, like I said, is hair wash day. So let's get started. I'm rinsing the shampoo from my hair, and after I'm done with that, I'll be combing a conditioner through my hair. So I'm done washing and conditioning. Now I have a microfiber towel over my head. I remove the towel and I begin to style. That's the Keratin Green Tea Restructurizer Spray, and I just spray that all throughout my hair. Then I just comb it through just to make sure all my hair is coated. Now this is the Tresemme 7-in-1 Repair Conditioner, or spray rather, and I just spray that throughout my hair. From roots to end. Then I comb it through as well. This is the Mane Choice Styling Gel. I'm going to part my hair into 3 sections, 1 section in the front and 2 in the back. Then I'll apply the styling gel throughout each section of my hair. So now I'm applying the Mane Choice Styling Gel. Then I apply the Mane Choice Sealing Cream from roots to end. And then I brush the styling gel and sealing cream through that section using my Denman brush. Then I proceed to scrunch my hair to try to get some definition. My hair is becoming a little dry, so I have a water bottle that I'm just spraying water through my hair to, make it nice and wet again, so the product will saturate better. Then I proceed to repeat the previous steps, and I'm going to do that throughout my entire head until every strand of hair has the styling gel and the sealing cream. I continue to scrunch my hair to try to achieve the maximum amount of definition I possibly can. Then I apply the Mane Choice Split End Serum to the ends of my hair. I'm going to allow my hair to air dry like this overnight. So it's the next morning, and this is how my hair looked. I fluffed it a little bit with my hair pick just to give it a little more fullness, even though it still looks flat. My hair is flat, it's thin. I don't have full voluptuous hair. I wish I did, but these are my results, and I'm on my way to work. So I'm feeling good. I like my hair. It should last me maybe 3 to 4 days before I have to just refresh it a little. But I thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to be notified of any new videos from the Whitmores. And have a blessed day. Peace.